Hello friends, welcome to Civilbysaurabh YouTube channel. Today topic is ceramic tile quantity. Total area in meter square is 100 meter square. Size of each tile is 9 inch by 12 inch. Convert inch into meter is equal to 0.228 meter into 0.3 meter. Then calculate the area of each tile is equal to 0.228 into 0.30 is equal to 0.0684 meter square. Then calculate the number of tiles required is equal to total area upon area of each tile is equal to total area is 100 upon area of each tile is 0.0684 is equal to 1461.98 is approximately equal to 1462 tiles will be required. Note, each box of tile has 10 numbers. Then number of tiles required is equal to number of tile required upon number of tile in each box is equal to 1462 upon 10, that is 146.2, approximately equal to 146 boxes will be required for the total area of 100 meter square. Thank you so much.